Hi guys, welcome back to RGB YouTube channel. On our last video we said we'd turn on the broken printer. The day has come and we are going to turn it on and see what happens. It is mega damaged. I don't know whether it's going to work. I don't know anything that's going to happen, whether it's going to explode, but we shall see. So power lead on. Power lead plugged in, I mean. Plugged in, no, let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, no sparks. Nothing happened. Okay, let's turn it on. What? That actually works. Well, the screen comes on anyway. That probably won't mean a lot. I'll probably come up with loads of errors. Starting up. Awesome. Our disk drive's going. Let's see. Close upper cover. This is where it all got damaged, so it's probably gonna have, yeah. And I think it's missing the little bits that go on there that push into the sensor. Oh well, at least it got this far. If we can fix these little catches, because normally it has little catches in there to go into these little sensors in here. I wonder if this one's all right. Let's see. I can hear it clicking. There we go, there's the micro switch. So it must be this side. Yeah, that's all broken. It's actually that bit there that goes in. I wonder whether, is that going in? No. Oh well guys, so it's turned on, the screen's gone on. I think we're gonna have to try and fix those switches, see if we can fix those and go from there. We might try and give it a clean up. That'll probably be a nice video that we can do, maybe a sped up one of us cleaning it. I'm certainly not gonna do it. Harrison's probably gonna be upset because he's on holiday at the moment and he didn't see it turn on, but I'm sure you'll see the YouTube video on holiday. Don't forget to click that bell, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Cheers guys.